Hey guys, welcome back to Mr. Fix's channel. So today I'm having another little Toro video and I'm gonna be showing the issue with your front casters. If you ever noticed that kind of noise and that kind of play in your front casters, one, you probably need to put some grease on the front casters, but if that don't help, then your issue goes to the actual bushings that need to be replaced, and I'm gonna show you just in a minute. Let me pull these wheels off and I'll show you exactly what I'm talking about. Alright, so now that we got the wheel off, you can see it's just a bolt with a nut on the other end. I think it's 17 mil. So here's your wheel, and this bushing right here, see how much play it has? So this is where your grease goes. There's your grease fitting, and it greases this bushing, which is pretty much like a shaft. See it right here? So this thing wears out. Let me clean this off for a sec and I'll show you again what I'm talking about. I'm gonna wipe it down so you get a better idea of what happens. So here it is. You can see it right there. See how it ate up the metal? See that lip? This is all supposed to be flush, and you have this lip right here. So this bushing is wore out both sides. Actually, this side is even worse. Look at that. That lip is huge. So yeah, this bushing is gone, and a lot of times you can get away with just replacing this, the bushing insert, but other times when the wear is so severe and they keep driving it like this, it'll start wearing these bushings right here that are actually pressed onto the wheels itself. So these are also replaceable. I see a lot of people just go and buy different wheels, but these are replaceable. You can get these bushings separate. Let me show you what they look like. Here's here are the bushings the insert bushings that go through, and basically the bolt goes through these bushings. But here's the other one. These are the ones that get pressed onto the wheel itself, and this is how they look like. So these are a little bit of a pain in the butt to get out. A lot of times you're gonna have to get creative and get you a pretty good size hammer. But what I'll do is I'll put like 2x4s on each side, and then do the same thing like what I do with the spindle bearings that just come from one side with a pretty heavy duty flathead screwdriver, and just work around it and try to beat the lower bushing out and just flip it over. And the other thing is, when you put the new ones in, you see how they got this cutout? That's for the actual grease. So when you're reinstalling it, make sure this part of the bushing, when you're pressing it, it's going right here where the grease fitting is. So otherwise, if you put it like that and you mess up the fitting, and even if you don't mess up the fitting, you're gonna be closing up this grease fitting port, so you're not gonna get any grease inside the shaft. So that's what this is here for. That's why you have this cutout on these bushings. So remember to put this thing where it's supposed to go, right there where the grease fitting is, or you're gonna have some issues, and you're gonna have to basically beat them out again and put them the right way. But this is gonna be it for this video. So pretty much I wanted to show you real quickly what the noise is if you do have this noise coming from the front wheels. This is the issue with all the mowers, not just these zero turns Even on regular riding mowers, these are the same things. Even though you have the front wheels, they go on actual like little spindles, like little axles. They still have these type of bushings that go on the actual rim on the rider mower. So there's the same exact thing. They'll wear out these bushings instead of the actual spindle, and then you have to replace those. Um, but yeah, hope you enjoyed the video again. If you did, hit the like button for me. Subscribe if you haven't already, and come back for more videos. So again, stay safe, be blessed, and until next time.